Hi students, in today's lecture we are going to discuss about corrosion control by modifying the environment. In previous lecture we have discussed the corrosion control by modifying the metal, and in today's lecture we are discussing about by modifying the environment how can we control corrosion. So here there are some types: deaeration, deactivation, demodification and alkaline neutralization using corrosion inhibitors. We will discuss one by one. So the deaeration method, the presence of increased amount of oxygen is harmful and increases the corrosion rate. And this can be removed by mechanical agitation. It also removes the dissolved carbon dioxide and water. The next method is deactivation. It is the process of removing dissolved oxygen by adding some chemicals in aqueous solution. Here they've added sodium sulfate and hydrazine. The next is demodification. In this method, moisture from air is removed by lowering the relative humidity of the surrounding air. This is done by adding silica gel. We know already silica gel is a very best absorbent. So it is added which absorb moisture preferentially on the surface. The next one is alkaline neutralization. The acidic character of the corrosive environment due to the presence of hydrogen sulfide, hydrochloric acid, carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide can be neutralized by spraying alkaline neutralizers like ammonia, NaOH, lime, etc. And the next one is by using corrosion inhibitors. A corrosion inhibitor is a substance which reduces the corrosion of the metal when it is added to the corrosive environment. There are three types of corrosion inhibitors: anodic inhibitor, cathodic inhibitor, vapor phase inhibitors. So in the anodic inhibitors, chromates, nitrates, phosphates, tungstates or other ions of transient elements with a very high oxygen content. The anodic inhibitors are those that prevent corrosion reaction occurring at the anode by forming an insoluble compound with the newly produced metal ions. These precipitates are absorbed on the metal surface, forming a protective film and reducing the corrosion rate. Though this type of corrosion control is effective, it may be dangerous, since severe local attack can occur if some areas are uncovered. The next type is cathodic inhibitor. In electrochemical corrosion, the cathodic reactions are two types depending on the environment. One is in acidic solution and the other one is in the basic solution. In the acidic solution, organic inhibitors like amines, mercaptans, heterocyclic nitrogens compounds, thiourea, substituted ureas, heavy metal soaps. In an acidic solution, the cathodic reaction is the evaluation of hydrogen. This is reduced by two ways. First one is by slowing down the diffusion of H+ ions to the cathode. This can be done by adding organic inhibitors like amines, pyridines, etc., which are observed on the metal surface. And the next one is by increasing the over voltage of hydrogen evolution, and this is done by adding antimony or arsenic aspects, which deposits a hidden film of metallic arsenic or antimony at the cathodic areas. And the next one is in a neutral solution. Here the sodium sulfate or hydrazine is added and the corrosion can be reduced. First one is by eliminating the oxygen from the neutral solution, thereby the formation of OH- ions are inhibited. This is can be done by adding reducing agents like sodium sulfate and hydrazine. By eliminating OH- ions from the neutral solutions can be done by adding magnesium, zinc or nickel salts. These react with OH- ions form insoluble hydroxides, which are deposits on the cathode, forming more or less impermeable self barriers. And the third type is vapor phase inhibitors. The main chemical components are dicyclohexyl ammonium nitrate and benzotriazoles. The vapor phase inhibitors are organic inhibitors which readily vaporize and form a protective layer on the metal surface. The vapor phase inhibitors are used in the production of storage containers, packing materials and sophisticating equipments, etc. So at the end of this lecture, you can able to get knowledge on corrosion control by modifying the environment,